I'm going to show you how you can transfer contacts from one Gmail account to another. So transferring contacts from one Gmail account to another is very easy, and it's a process involving exporting contacts from the first account and importing them into the second. And to this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. First, you need to export contacts from the first Gmail account. So just log into your first Gmail account and then also open the Google Contacts. And then in here, you can just select the contacts that you want to export. If you want to export all contacts, you can skip this step. But if you want to export specific contacts, that you can just check the box next to the contacts you wish to export. This ones are here. For example, I'm going to just export a few of them. Okay, like this, for example, and then you can just click on the more options at the top, more actions, and in here select export. Now what you need to do is choose the Google CSV format. It's ideal for Gmail, and then you can just tap on export. And this CSV file will be downloaded to your computer. Now let's import it to the second Gmail account. You can open your second Gmail. This one, I've already opened it. And now what you need to do is just open also the Google Contacts. Okay. In here you can see there's no contacts yet, and to import the contacts in the left sidebar in here you can just click on import, select file, and choose the file that you've just downloaded. This one, click on open and click on import again. Now the contacts will be importing. Here you can just wait until this process is finished. And just like that, now the contact has been transferred into the second Gmail account. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.